We remove the back cover. We remove the screws. Here we have the antenna. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now it's time to remove the antenna. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Now we remove the flex. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.